found myself in some legal troubles and needed to find some legal assistance. So I Google searched and found the Shouse Law Group. They had really great reviews. I filled out the little online form and got a call back within 5 minutes. And I was super impressed that on a Saturday I was getting a response that fast.
Never in my wildest dreams did I ever think I would ever be in a situation that I was in. I never thought I would be in jail. I never thought I would be charged with a felony. When I walked out, I got a better deal than I had even anticipated, and I was filled with such relief. What you see on their website is exactly what you get, but more.
I was at a complete stop, going down the street, waiting for the light to turn green, when a car just ran me from behind and rear-ended me. As soon as I came here, they helped me out immediately. They recommended me immediately with doctors, chiropractors. I didn't have to pay nothing out of pocket.
Shouse Lawyer Group, they're really good people right here. When I got deported, the judge had told me that I'm never going to see my family again. I would die for my kids. I want to be with them all the time. I always wanted to come back for my kids. I just had that dream that I would come back here. But when it really did happen, it was like a miracle. It was under a year when I was able to come back to the United States.
My son had gotten into some trouble hanging around with the wrong crowd. It was kind of an emergency situation where we needed some assistance. Shouse Law Group was the right decision for our family. It seemed almost as if the importance of my son's safety was of the highest regard. Shouse Law Group actually really did care about the outcome.
I would absolutely recommend Shouse Law Group. Answered all my questions, very informative.
I was facing a serious felony, and luckily enough, Shouse Law Group was able to get me a great deal where at the end of my probation period, my felony would be dismissed off my record. If any of my friends were facing something serious, any serious crimes, I would definitely recommend them to Shouse Law Group.
Public defender said the not guilty verdict was impossible to reach. I was going to end up doing 4 years in county jail. My friend found the Shouse Law Group. They helped me out. They beat my case.
Tengo un problema de drogas. La policía me arrestó por drogas. Después de que salí deportado, encontré con Shouse California Law Group. Ellos fueron atentos a mi caso. Ellos escuchan. Yo lo recomiendo al 100%.
I was cited for a DUI. They had me with a .13 and a .14 on a breathalyzer. So it was a hard case. And it was a not guilty verdict on both counts. And I would definitely recommend Shouse Law.
I was looking through reviews for companies in the area, and for Shouse Law Group, I didn't find a bad review. As soon as I got them on the line, I knew they were the ones I wanted to work with.
Having found Shouse Law Group through their website, their web presence is fantastic, but actually their real life presence was even better.
I did get a referral to Shouse Law Group, and boy, everything changed as soon as I did. So Shouse Law Group, first off, they listen. I would recommend the Shouse Law Group. You do need proper legal representation.
Anytime I was in contact with the Shouse Law Group, I was always met with a quick, prompt response to any questions, concerns.
As soon as we went in and talked with them, they don't make you feel pressured or promise you certain things and you would have to pay for later. Everything was cut dry. I would recommend Shouse Law Group to anyone.
I needed a company that was affordable and someone I could trust. They stand by you and they're a family. And that's the best thing about this law firm.
I, without a doubt, would recommend Shouse Law Group. I would tell, my friends and family not to waste their time even searching around. They need to act quickly, and you need to go straight to someone you can trust, and you can trust Shouse Law Group.
They went above and beyond.
Yeah, they didn't have to do that.
You could tell how much of their heart and soul they put into this case, and the time and the effort and the work. You can't ask more than that.
Everyone at the office was working really hard on my case to get me the best outcome. And I was so relieved when, we got the sentence reduced and the outcome was much more reasonable than what I was expecting.
There was a sense of a family, and I can tell that they worked well together, and everyone I interacted with had a huge positive impression. I would give them a 5 out of 5 for stars. I would give them a 10 out of 10 on a rating.
I'll give Shouse Law Group 1,000 stars if I could.
Out of 5 stars, I would give the Shouse Law Group 500.
Every step that they took, it worked. Everything that they did, it was successful.
And I pray that the whole world sees this. They see that there are people out there that care. There is a law firm out there that will help you. That will help you.